saw the videos and did question bank also. And sir, I feel by giving tests, I focused on the areas and work on it consistently and systematically by using this.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Priya,
Thank you.
and for scoring a rank number 29 in DM Medical Oncology Group. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Great. You know a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done.
Sir, I started with sir my preparation from sir. I did my radiation oncology from Acharya Tulsi Radiation Cancer Institute, and sir, currently I'm doing my senior residency from the same institute in Bikaner. And while doing my senior residency, I started preparing, and so in this time I scored a rank of 29. So last time I scored a rank of 512 with my MD.
Great. So your UG is from?
Yes, sir.
Your UG from undergraduation?
My UG was from GMC Kota.
Oh, very good. Excellent. Doctor,
Thank you.
super specialty in DM Medical Oncology stuck you when? When did you thought about it and how did you start preparing and what all you did to achieve this?
Sir, actually, I started with the sir while doing radiation oncology only. Sir, in my final year, I thought of pursuing future studies, and I thought to do medical oncology.
Okay. So once you decided to do so, then from that point of time, what was the preparation strategy to achieve this rank?
So when I started preparing initially, I thought the medical oncology, I felt it is very vast and overwhelming. But then I started made a structured plan, and so started seeing videos and for conceptual clarity. And so I also made my notes, which I revised consistently. And I feel revising my notes was the main key throughout.
Great, great, great. Doctor, about the paper, how many questions were you able to attend? What was the standard of the paper? How do you feel about the paper?
So I feel it was a very concept-based case scenario, discussion-based paper. And so I almost attempted 147 questions, and out of which I got 123 or 124 correct.
Great, very nice. And
Thank you.
what will be your future advice? I mean, advice for the future aspirants of DA Medical Oncology.
So I would say consistency is the key. Believe in yourself and trust your preparation and keep going. And one day your journey will truly inspire someone else. And I feel so doing questions daily is the key, and being consistent. So I feel is the key,
Great,
and revising your notes multiple times.
great. So, what was your experience with speed for this exam?
Sir, it was. I feel it was a game changing for my exam, and sir, I. I saw the videos and did question bank also. And sir, I feel by giving tests, I focused on the my weak areas and work on it consistently and systematically by using this.
Great,
And it helped me clear my concepts very well.
great, great. Wonderful, doctor. It's time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they stood by you from day one till date. That helped you.
I always will thank God, my parents, my family members, my grandmother, my teachers, and my sir also, my guide, who has helped me a lot in throughout my preparation. He was the key.
What does this
And
ask?
obviously my seniors and my juniors, my colleagues, and all my staff and hospital co-workers also.
Great, great. You said your sir. I mean, can you tell his name? Who the sir? Who's his sir?
Dr. Shankar Lal Jhakar, sir.
Great, great. So, to all of them, my best wishes and regards. Once again, we wish you all the best and all the success for a
Thank
great,
you.
wonderful, amazing career in DA Medical Oncology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.